Have you ever felt tired of feeling like you're settling for less than you deserve, while others get the whole feast? Here are 5 of the signs that you might be undervaluing yourself without being aware. 1. Accepting less than you deserve. 2. Minimizing your achievements. 3. Prioritizing others' needs over your own. 4. Struggling to accept compliments. 5. Avoiding decision-making. The ancient Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius, held secrets to unshakable self-worth. Click below for the full video, where you uncover the practical tips and transformative secrets from the Stoics that aren't commonly discussed. Most people discover them late in life. Tap the right arrow now to start changing your perspective on how to truly value yourself right away.